We are going to learn new things about nouns. But first, let us have a quick recap. A noun is a word that is the name of something, such as a person, animal, place, or thing. We already know now that nouns are of various kinds, right? There are common nouns, which are the common names of people, places, animals, and things. Boy, city, dog, table, and school are common nouns. Then there are proper nouns, which are the special names of people, places, animals, and things. Jennifer, Mumbai, Andy Mouse, London Bridge are proper nouns. We also know that we call groups of people, animals, or things collective nouns. When there is one flower, it's a flower. But when there are many flowers together in a bunch, it is a bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers is a collective noun. Now let's see which types of nouns the following words are. Do you know who this is? Right, this is a lady. And this is a common noun. But what if I told you her name is Mary? What kind of noun is Mary? Yes, Mary is a proper noun. Do you know what this is? Correct. This is a cat. This is also a common noun. But what if I told you her name is Kitty? What kind of noun is Kitty? Yes, Kitty is a proper noun. Which place is this? This is Paris. And this is a proper noun. Now what do we call a group of cows? Correct. A herd of cows. This is a collective noun. And what do we call a group of dogs? Right, a pack of dogs. This is a collective noun. We have already learned that nouns have gender. A noun can be masculine or feminine. He is masculine. She is feminine. Let's see how well we remember the genders of nouns. None is a noun of the feminine gender. What is its masculine gender? It is monk. Hero is a noun of the masculine gender. What is its feminine gender? It is heroine. Headmaster is a noun of the masculine gender. What is its feminine gender? It is headmistress. By now we know the masculine and feminine genders of most nouns. Which gender does the noun table have? None. Table has no gender. Such nouns belong to the neuter gender. All non-living things are of the neuter gender. Let's find out the genders of our family members. Father. Which gender does this noun have? Masculine. Mother. Which gender does this noun have? Feminine. Brother. Which gender does this noun have? Masculine. Sister. Which gender does this noun have? Feminine. We also know by now that nouns can be one or many. This is one apple. The word apple is a noun. What would we call this noun? This is a singular noun. These are many apples. The word apples is a noun. What do we call this noun? This is a plural noun. Most plural nouns are made by adding s or es to their singular forms. Bed is a noun. Room is another noun. Together, they form a third noun, bedroom. Nouns of this kind are known as compound nouns. They are formed by joining two nouns together. Why do we need compound nouns? We need them because we need to refer to nouns that refer to two kinds of things, people or places together. If we just say room, we do not know which room we are talking about. So we need to say bedroom to mean that we are talking about the room in which we keep the bed. Let us look at some more examples of compound nouns. Green plus house becomes greenhouse. Motor plus cycle becomes motorcycle. Tiffin plus box becomes tiffin box. Police plus man becomes policeman. Here is one apple. Apple is singular. Here are many apples. Apples is plural. Here is honey. A big pot of honey. There is a lot of honey in that pot. So, is honey singular or plural? Honey is not singular and neither is it plural. Why? Because apples can be counted, but honey cannot be counted. So apple is a countable noun. Honey is an uncountable noun. Whenever you are confused about which nouns are countable and which nouns are uncountable, ask yourself, can you count it in numbers? Let's see which kind of nouns the following are. Elephant. Is it a countable or an uncountable noun? It is a countable noun. Water. Is it a countable or an uncountable noun? It is an uncountable noun. However, glasses of water is a countable noun because here you are not counting water, but you are counting glasses. Spoon. Is it a countable or an uncountable noun? It is a countable noun. Sugar. Is it a countable or an uncountable noun? It is an uncountable noun. Here is an exercise to see how much we have learned so far. Pick out the common nouns from these sentences. Now pick out the proper nouns. Now pick out the collective nouns. Here is another exercise. Change the gender of the highlighted nouns in the following sentences. My sister goes to play in the park. Brother. The cow is grazing in the field. Bull. The actress performed beautifully. Actor. Each word will be flashed once. You have to identify whether the words are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. The countable nouns will go into the box and the uncountable nouns will go into the sack. Money. Uncountable. Flowers. Countable. Salt. Uncountable. Sheep. Countable. Air. Uncountable. Idea. Countable.